Hello, my name is Denisenko Dennis. In this video, we will go over the functions for creating statuses, tags, and notes in the Dolphin Anti-Detect browser. Dolphin Anty browser allows you to create custom statuses, tags, and notes for browser profiles. Why is this necessary? By assigning a specific status to a profile, you can immediately understand what is happening in a particular browser profile. For example, you create a profile with a Facebook account and assign it the status New. After certain actions, it goes into policy, and you can create such a status and assign it to the profile. After passing policy, you create a campaign and launch it, after which you can create and set the status active. This way, it will always be clear what exactly is happening with the profile. The names of the statuses can be absolutely anything. They do not affect anything and are only for convenience when working with our browser. To add your own custom statuses in Dolphin Anty, you need to go to the Settings section by clicking the corresponding icons in the left menu. Scroll down to the Statuses block, then, by clicking the button, you can see the dialog window for adding statuses. In this window, you need to enter the name of the status and choose its color. After clicking the Create Status button, the status will appear in the Statuses block in the Settings section. You can also edit or delete created statuses in this window. Important! This is only available to users with the admin role. Let's go over how to assign a status to a profile. There are two ways to assign a status to browser profiles: in the Profile Creation editing window or directly in the list of browser profiles. First, we will look at the second method. We will talk about the first one later. To assign a status to a profile, you need to have the Statuses column enabled. How do you do this? Select Column Settings in the upper right corner, enter the required column in the search field or choose it from the list, then click Save, and the column will appear in the Browser Profiles section. Next, let's see how we can assign a status to a profile. Go to the Browser Profiles section. Next to the name of our browser profile in the Status column, you need to click the No Status button, then select the desired status from the drop-down list. After selecting, the status will be displayed in the Statuses column next to the profile. Let's go over how to add notes and tags for convenient sorting and simply to record important information about the profile. For example, you can add the email from the account inside the profile as a note and use the tag FB to indicate what the profile was created for. Tags and notes can be added or edited in two ways, similar to statuses: directly in the profile list or during creation or editing of the account in the Advanced tab on the Browser Profiles list page. We remind you that all new users receive a 20% discount on their first payment with the promo code YouTube. If you make a one-time payment for any annual plan, you automatically receive a 40% discount. Don't forget to comment on the tutorials and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell so you don't miss the latest updates and project news. Thank you for watching.